Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the CPR most important question MCQ part 2. Let's start. Question: which is the non-shockable rhythm in CPR? Option A, ventricular tachycardia. Option B, ventricular fibrillation. Option C, asystole. Option D, torsades D pointes. The answer will be option C, asystole, because asystole is treated with high quality CPR and epinephrine, not shock. Next question: which drug is most commonly used during adult CPR? Option A, dopamine. Option B, lidocaine. Option C, epinephrine. Option D, atropine. The answer will be option C, epinephrine. Epinephrine is used to stimulate heart activity during cardiac arrest. Next, what is the best indicator of effective chest compression? Option A, increased oxygen saturation. Option B, carotid pulse is felt. Option C, chest visibly recoils. Option D, victim's color improves. The answer will be option C. Option B, carotid pulse is felt. Feeling a pulse indicates mechanical effectiveness of compression. Next question: in adult CPR, each ventilation should be delivered over option A 1 second, option B 3 second, option C 0.5 second, option D 2 second. The answer will be option A, 1 second. Delivering each breath over 1 second minimizes the risk of gastric inflation. Next question: how many cycles of CPR are performed in 2 minutes? Option A 1 to 2 cycles, option B 4 to 5 cycles, option C 6 to 8 cycles, option D 10 to 12 cycles. The answer will be option B, 4 to 5 cycles. Each cycle of 30:2 takes about 24 seconds, approx 5 cycles in 2 minutes. Next question: during two rescuer CPR, one rescuer provides compression, the other checks the pulse, call for help. Option C, provides ventilation. Option D, controls bleeding. The answer will be option C, provides ventilation. This maximizes efficiency and oxygenation. Next question: if a choking adult becomes unresponsive, you should do. Option A, give abdominal thrust. Option B, perform blind finger sweep. Option C, start CPR. Option D, deliver back blows. The answer will be option C, start CPR. Begin CPR immediately and look for object during breaths. Next question: in CPR, CAB stand for option A, compression airway breathing. Option B, circulation air bronchodilator. Option C, check airway breath. Option D, chest airway blood. The answer will be option A, compression airway breathing. This is current sequence recommended by the AHA. Next, when giving breaths with a bag mask device for an adult, give one breath every 2 to 3 seconds. Option B 5 to 6 seconds. Option C 4 to 10 seconds. Option D 12 seconds. The answer will be option B 5 to 6 seconds. That equals 10 to 12 breaths per minute in adults. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding CPR in pregnant women? Option A, compression should be deeper. Option B, supine position is safe. Option C, manual left uterine displacement should be done. Option D, AED is contraindicated. The answer will be option C, manual left uterine displacement should be done because to relieve the pressure on the vena cava and improve the venous return. Next question. The correct way to check for breathing in an unconscious person is option A, shake them and shout. Option B, place air near mouth and watch chest. Option C, tap feet. Option D, use stethoscope. The answer will be option B, place air near mouth and watch chest. Watch the chest because look, listen and feel is the traditional method. Next question. What is the compression rate in newborn? Option A, 60 to 80 per minute. Option B, 80 to 100 per minute. Option C, 100 to 120 per minute. Option D, 120 per minute or more. The answer will be option D, 120 per minute or more because high rate is needed to compensate for newborn circulation needs. Next question. Rescue breathing in children should be given at what rate? Option A, 1 breath every 2 to 3 seconds. Option B, 1 breath every 5 seconds. Option C, 10 to 12 breath per minute. Option D, 8 to 10 per minute. The answer will be option A, 1 breath every 2 to 3 seconds because this equal 20 to 30 breaths per minute. Next question. If an adult has a pulse but is not breathing, what is the next step? Do chest compression. Option B, give rescue breath only. Option C, use AED. Option D, wait and observe. The answer will be option B, give rescue breath only because pulse is present. No need to give the compression, only we have to give the rescue breath. Next question. The most common complication of CPR is option A, cardiac arrest. Option B, rib fracture. Option C, stroke. Option D, aspirations. The answer will be option B, rib fracture because when we will do the compression that can be damage the rib, especially in elderly patient due to brittle bones. Next question. In CPR, what is the minimal interruption time allowed between compression? Option A, less than 2 seconds. Option B, less than 5 seconds. Option C, less than 10 seconds. Option D, 15 seconds. The answer will be option C, less than 10 seconds. Minimize the interruption to improve the perfusion. Next question. What is the first drug used in asystole? Option A, atropine. Option B, epinephrine. Option C, amiodarone. Option D, dopamine. The answer will be option B, epinephrine. In administer 1 mg IV or IO every 3 to 5 minutes in asystole 1:10,000. If we are giving in IV or if we are giving in IM 1:1000. This is an important. Next, the recommended techniques for infant CPR single square is 2-thumb technique. Option B, 1-finger compression. Option C, 2-finger technique. Option D, palm compression. The answer will be option A, option C, 2-finger technique, because for single rescuer 2 fingers are used on the sternum. Next question. What is the next step after confirming unresponsive and calling for help? Option A, open airway. Option B, check breathing and pulse. Option C, start compression. Option D, use AED. The answer will be option B, check breathing and pulse. Always follow the CAB sequence after ensuring safety, because CAB means circulation, airway and breathing. Next, what should be avoided when giving rescue breath? Option A, overventilation. Option B, airway opening. Option C, mouth seal. Option D, chin lift. The answer will be option A, overventilation, because if we are giving too much air cause the gastric inflation and aspiration ericts. Next question. In CPR, the ratio of compression to breathe a newborn is option A, 30:2, option B, 15:2, option C, 3:1, option D, 5:1. The answer will be option C, 3:1. For adult we are giving 30:2, for child we are giving 30:2, but if there is 2 rescuer in child we are giving 15:2. Next question. For effective CPR, how much should be chest recoil be allowed? Option A, none. Option B, partial. Option B, full recoil. Option D, constant compression. Option C is the correct answer. Full recoil allows venous return to the heart. Next question. When using an AED, which step comes first? Option A, press shock. Option B, apply pads. Option C, turn on the AED. Option D, analyze rhythm. We have to turn on the AED first. So answer will be option C, turn on the AED. Always turn it on first and follow the voice prompts. Next, if the patient regains pulse but not breathing, next step: option A, stop CPR. Option B, continue chest compressions. Option C, provide rescue breathing. Option D, start defibrillation. The answer will be option C, provide rescue breathing, because support breathing until spontaneous respiration returns. Next question. In choking infants, who is responsive? What is the first intervention? Option A, abdominal thrust. Option B, chest compression. Option C, blind finger sweep. Option D, 5 back slap followed by 5 chest thrust. The answer will be option D, 5 back slaps followed by 5 chest thrusts. Option D is the correct answer, because this is recommended maneuver for infants under 1 year. Under 1 year. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe please. Thank you.